Hey, what's up? Welcome to part 2 of my Atwood 6-gallon water heater, RV water heater maintenance and descaling video. So what we did yesterday is we drained it by this drain plug. We refilled it on the inside, which is kind of inconvenient. Now I have seen on some other videos where people will pull this thing out, twist this part out, the pressure relief valve. I was not able to get this to budge. Quite frankly, this water heater is probably on its last leg. I'm thinking of replacing this, this propane valve assembly. It's all kind of rusted out. It's not doing too well. I'm just trying to keep this thing going for a little while longer. So what I did is I ran the heat on this overnight, the electric heat portion of it. So the heating element was constantly heating the vinegar and water contents of the heater. And having done that for, close to 12, 14 hours now, I did switch this off this morning because I don't want to burn my hands and get all that scalding water on me. So what I'm going to do now is remove the drain plug, since this is cooled off a fair amount. It's still warm. It's still warm to the touch in there. So yeah, it's insulated. It keeps the water warm for a while. But we're going to pull the drain plug. So let's do that and see what's doing in there. Going back to my trusty wrench here. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Get ready for it. All right, so I'm seeing a couple little white flecks on that. Either way, it might not be as dramatic as it might be in some. I had never cleaned this thing out before, so it was definitely worthwhile doing it, because now I can be reasonably sure that there is minimal to no calcium buildup inside of the water heater itself and on the elements of the water heater. So now all we do is we pop the drain plug back in. It's kind of like almost like a hand tighten type deal. We're going to release the pressure relief valve. We're going to turn the water pump back on. It'll start pumping water into the chamber of this unit again. All right. So the pump is running. The question is do I have enough fresh water left in my holding tank to refill this? I think this is probably refilled maybe halfway or so at this point. All right, I'm going to close this valve. There we go. I'm going to turn off the pump. So anyway, that's basically it. We've now cleaned out the inside of this Atwood. That concludes today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Much appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye-bye.